Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the trigonometric proof which I have written on the whiteboard. Given secant A minus 1 divided by secant A plus 1 equals to 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. So we need to prove this. Left hand side equals to right hand side. So let's take left hand side and prove that is equals to right hand side. So we are going to use few basic trigonometric identities or rules to prove this. So those are, a secant A can be written as 1 by cos A and 1 by secant A can be written as cos A. So 1 by cos A is secant A and 1 by secant A is cos A. So we are going to use these the basic trigonometric identities. So if we replace secant A by 1 by cos A, we'll get 1 by cos A minus 1 whole divided by 1 by cos A plus 1. Now take LCD and simplify. So we'll get 1 minus cos A divided by cos A whole divided by 1 plus cos A divided by cos A. Here we just need to divide fractions. So write down the first fraction as it is and take the reciprocal of second fraction, which means just flip the second fraction. So here we can see that we have cos A and cos A in both the numerator and denominator, so we can cancel that out. So we can write it as 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. So which is the right hand side of the given question. So hence it proved. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.